Hello viewers, here's something out of the ordinary. This is a Black and Decker branded Dustbuster cordless vacuum. I'm not exactly sure how old this is. I would guess it's probably at least from the 90s, perhaps the 80s. Got a very iconic styling on the box. And it would have sold at Bradlees back in the day for $26.99. So it wasn't cheap. Weighs less than 1.5 pounds. Long-lasting washable filter bag. Two-year warranty. Made and printed in USA, so it probably still works. Oops. I actually need one of these because the one I had quit. I think just the battery went bad, but I haven't had the time to open it up and figure it out. I'd rather have a vintage one anyways. Uh-oh. I think they jammed this in here in the wrong way. Probably supposed to sit the other way in the box. Okay. Oh man, there's some damaged documentation in there. Oh dear, stop! Don't throw this away. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up here. Oh no. It looks like it got wet at some point. Oh, this is in terrible condition. I wonder if this like sat outside or something. It's got leaves in it. If it wasn't outside, it was definitely in a basement probably. I'm not sure I want to power it up with it like that. Oh man. Well, I'll have to vacuum the table afterwards. Yeah, it's all wet in there. Well, the blower and everything looks okay. Maybe we can power it up. I don't know where the battery sits inside this thing. Well, we'll plug it in and see what happens. Okay, it's plugged in now. And it's connected. I don't think there's any indicator that it's charging. Well, while that's doing its thing, or maybe not doing its thing, I don't know. Let's take a look at the manuals. Looks like you could buy two different colors. You can order new filters for it. This stuff wasn't too outlandishly priced. It looks like it's all under $10. Adjust the tripod a bit here. See if we can find the date code on here. Batteries require 24 hours to reach full capacity and 6 hours to reach 60%. That's kind of an interesting charge rate. And it talks about the battery memory. There we go. Printed in USA. Copyright 1985. So it probably is from the late 80s would be my guess. Let's see if there's anything in here. I didn't look for one before. Another copyright of 1985. Well, there's no date on those. Perhaps there'll be a date on the battery or something. Well, let's see if this works. The battery doesn't look like it's holding any charge, but it did something. Does this not, like, turn on permanently? Well, whatever. It did work, so I guess it just has to charge up for a while. So I'll let it charge up, and then we'll do another video.